All Tune and Lube in Gonzales offers exceptional and affordable auto service and repair to residents of Prairieville and Gonzales. With quality equipment, auto parts, and ASE certified technicians, you can rest assured your vehicle is in good hands at our modern, full-service auto repair shop. From a simple tune and lube to complex computer diagnostics, ATL in Gonzales has your car covered. We also offer superior commercial fleet maintenance and repair for local businesses. For superior auto service and repair in Gonzales, call All Tune and Lube or click to our website to check out our money-saving special offers.